Okay.
Good morning. It's Tuesday, July 10th. My name is Rella, and I'm at the Civic Center on Civic Center Drive in Poway, California, San Diego County. I'm here to read Grievance number 25 for the New California movement. State of New California, notice to all Californians, Grievance 25. New California is a new state in development, exercising its constitutional right to form from the state of California. The process to form New California is authorized and codified in Article 4, Sections 3 and 4 of the United States Constitution. Article 4, Section 3, United States Constitution states, new states may be admitted by the Congress into this union, but no new states shall be formed or erected within the jurisdiction of any other state, nor any state be formed by the junction of two or more states or parts of states without the consent of the legislatures of the states concerned, as well as the Congress. Statement of intent. The citizens of New California have decided to remedy the abuse of power by the government of California by exercising their right to form a new state provided in United States Constitution, Article 4, Sections 3 and 4. We are determined to live under a state government in the United States of America and under the Constitution of the United States. New California Declaration of Independence of January 15, 2018 states, whenever any form of government becomes destructive, it is the right of the people to alter or to abolish it and to institute new government. When the long train of abuses enacts to seize and hold the people's power without legal authority and pursuing invariably the same object that clearly demonstrates a design to reduce them under absolute despotism, it is their right, it is their duty to throw off such government and to provide new guards for their future security. So it is the history of the past and present governor and government of California, who have a history of repeated injuries and usurpations, all having in direct object the establishment of a tyranny over the counties of New California and the state of California. Whenever any form of government becomes destructive of these ends, it is the right of the people to seek a constitutional remedy to the abuses of power. Preamble of the New California State Constitution states, we, the representatives of the undersigned counties within the state of California seeking a Republican form of government, protection against foreign invasion and domestic violence guaranteed by Article 4, Section 4 of the United States Constitution, and all privileges and immunities of citizens in the several states guaranteed by Article 4, Section 2 of the United States Constitution, resolved to establish New California as a fully vested state of the Union of States in the United States of America. First Amendment of the United States Constitution states, Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech, or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. Therefore, the counties of New California bring forth 40 grievances against the government of California to be announced in public on Tuesdays at 11 a.m. each week for 40 weeks. State of New California Grievance 25, Statement of Facts. The people of California are suffering from a tyrannical communist state government which fails to provide a Republican form of governance, enables and supports across its southern border the invasion of the United States of America by illegal foreign nationals, and protects vicious criminals who commit outrageous acts of violence upon the citizens of America, all caused by a government of and for a monoparty system led by a tyrannical dictator. Declaration of Grievance. United States Constitution, Article 4, Section 4 states in part, the United States shall guarantee to every state in this union a republican form of government and shall protect each of them against invasion and on application of the legislature or of the executive when the legislature cannot be convened against the domestic violence, failure of the government of California to protect against invasion and domestic violence. The communist California governor, the communist monoparty system, and local communist officials have engaged in a systemic program to ensure ethnic cleansing of United States citizens living in California. Ethnic cleansing is the process of using violent methods to force certain groups of people out of a particular area or country. Guidance documents from past administrations related to the Immigration and Nationality Act have been improperly utilized by the Communist California governor, the communist monoparty system, local communist officials, and political elites to single out California citizens of all racial, ethnic groups, ages, and orientations to prevent them from obtaining the educational, economic, and natural rights afforded to them by the California and United States Constitution and the Bill of Rights. Given preferential treatment for illegal foreign nationals in state and local government jobs, welfare benefits, driver's license, voting privileges, economic advantages, enrollment in public colleges and universities, the communist California governor, the communist monoparty system, political elites and local communist officials have created a caste system where illegal foreign nationals have become a replacement population for United States citizens living in California. Over the past 8 years, the net effect of California cleansing by the communist California governor, the communist monoparty system, and local communist officials has been to displace and replace United States citizens in California in all strata of civil society with illegal foreign nationals. California cleansing has been economically, culturally, socially divesting on United States citizens living in California, forcing their flight from the state and creating a homeless population never before seen in California state history. The cities of San Francisco, Los Angeles, Oakland, and Sacramento have become the symbols of California cleansing by the communist monoparty system of government. California cleansing is no different from all other ethnic cleansing used by totalitarian despots seen around the world for thousands of years. The history of ethnic cleansing and California cleansing now being utilized by the communist California government can only lead to forced expulsion and mass execution of American citizens. Using Marxist-Leninist, Maoist revolutionary tactics, the communist California governor, monoparty system, and local government officials support and celebrate these tactics as a means to introduce and subvert all aspects of California government and civil society in an attempt to destroy the state of California and break down the sovereignty of the Union of the United States of America. Acts of secession. Therefore, the communist California government, in conjunction with the communist state executive, instituted wherever the current communist governor has usurped power, has created a reign of terror on United States citizens living in California with the intent to secede from the United States of America, thus destroy the very union of states which give us our liberty and freedom. Abdication of authority, betrayal by the sitting communist governor of California, the monoparty legislature, and local elected officials is evidence of abdication of their responsibility of authority and sovereignty over the state and citizens of the United States living in California. This concludes these proceedings, and thank you for listening.